Yes, once again, me there. Them place I'm there mostly chill and have fun over here. So you see me I say, see the nice, beautiful, any amount of water, refreshing. It's a refreshing day. You see what me I say? Yeah. So we just there go and build back and do a thing. You see what me I say? And that's the thing to the fullest. Palm tree them up 24/7 round the clock. See it? Mad something. Yeah. So you don't know, say, we just there and we there build a vibes, you understand me I say, and give thanks and praise every day. You understand me I say, that's the most important. We have to give thanks for every day, for every breath that blows in our body. Don't forget that. You understand? Because without the Father, we are nothing. You understand me I say? So we have to give thanks to that. Yeah. So me just want to talk about a few little things today. Nothing outrageous, but just some quick things about, my life and, what's going on and, what maybe others can do, when it comes to certain things. You see what I say? Because living a healthy life is very good. You understand? Exercise, you need that. Meditation, you need that. Eating proper food, you need that. All of these things, you need it. You understand what I say? Because right now, in a younger age, you don't see too much effect on your body at this moment. But you see, when you start to really go up into the mid-age and the little up above, that's where the problems then really start, because it takes a time before the toll take on. You understand what I say? So you have to make sure you take care of your structure and, free your mind and live healthy and just hold that vibes and hold that space, and that's the type of thing will help, for the further journey of years in life. Understand what I say? You don't know. So I'm just here, just chilling at the moment and just building a vibes at the moment and just, holding it. That's all I can do. It's a beautiful place. If you can actually see it, it's really a very nice place to be. Understand? Yeah. So, just big up on yourself, my people, because you don't know, so I'm going to have some fun. Time now for eating other water there. Yeah. And just go and build up some local vibes and things you don't know. Over there, so is where we're going to go. Both them over there, so you understand? Yeah, I'm waiting on a couple more friends to come by, so we can go do the thing. So big up on yourself, you don't know. Have a blessed day. Until then.